The latest in the Noida double murder, sources say that Dr. Rajesh Talwar's receptionist Krishna may be subject to another narco analysis test. Sources have also confirmed that Krishna had testified to Arushi's good character and innocence. Let me remind you that earlier Krishna underwent a narco analysis test yesterday in Bangalore at the Bowring Hospital, and from all reports that the CBI really got no leads from his testimony. This, of course, are pictures of Krishna that we got yesterday when he was being moved from Bowring Hospital to a CRPF guest house where he spent the night. It was earlier expected that he would be brought back to the capital today, but now it seems that another narco analysis test is on the cards. We tried to speak to Krishna yesterday, as you can see over there, but we didn't get a single comment from him. Also, a quick reminder that Krishna's family was extremely skeptical about his arrest, because they said it was done without his detention without arrest, actually, saying that they were going to file a case in the CBI court, something they were unable to do because of the lawyers' strike yesterday, which is why Krishna continues to be in detention. Now, given the latest evidence, it seems that Krishna might actually have to spend some more time being interrogated by the CBI as the probe continues and no real evidence comes to light anymore. So that is the latest development in the Noida double murder, a case which has been going on for 3 weeks, and no real breakthrough has been made. You've had different suspects and different leads coming up, but nothing which has really led to anything. Remember, the murder weapon is still missing, something that the CBI was hoping they would actually get out of Krishna, but the narco analysis test yesterday, as well as the brain mapping test which took place earlier, got no leads. Let's go over now to our correspondent Vasanthi, who joins us from Bangalore to give us the latest details. Vasanthi, another narco analysis test. Does the CBI feel that there is information that they need from Krishna which they hadn't got the first time round?
Well, it does seem closer to that right now, because the possibility of a narco analysis seems even more right now. But our sources do reveal that two things came out. One, that Krishna is supposed to have revealed that Arushi was an innocent girl, no finger should be pointed at her. But then he could not give much information about the weapon used in the murder, nor the motive. So the CBI remains as clueless as it was, which means raises the possibility of another narco analysis on Krishna.
But can we safely say that any suspicion which surrounded Krishna has now been removed?
There is no hint on that. In fact, just our sources reveal that it was more to do with Arushi and the fact that she is innocent, her character is good, and that there should be no sort of suspicion on that angle at all, but nothing really on any other motive or even the weapon used in the murder.